Okay, what's going on, everyone? Today I am here at an apartment complex. They just called me about 2 days ago. I just couldn't get to it right at the moment, but this gate right here fell off. They didn't want to replace this whole 3x3 square tubing, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clean this up right here, and then down there I cut some plates, some 1/4 inch plates here. I'm just gonna again clean those up and weld those plates on there. I already took the hinges off, and I'm just gonna weld and clean this little area up right here, and I'm gonna weld the hinges back in place. And that's what I got going on right now. Okay, job is complete. Keep open 24/7.